All right guys, I'm gonna cook up a really quick and easy feast for when you're on the road. It's called the Cornflake chicken tenders. So all we've got to do is get some Greek yogurt. Now I'm gonna pop some right here, just like so. Then what we're gonna do is get some lemon juice. If you've got fresh stuff, it's always gonna be better. And we're just gonna pour the lemon juice over it, just like so. And then the cornflakes, just gonna crush them all up. I don't wanna crush them too much, but these are basically gonna be like a crumb. Now, I'll pop them on the side here, like that. I'll just crunch these up a bit more. Look at that. How can you go wrong with cornflakes? Especially on chicken. I know you've never heard of it, but trust me, you can't go wrong. All right, so all we're gonna do is grab our chicken tenders. We're gonna douse them in the yogurt, then we're gonna pop them in the cornflakes, just like so. You're getting the drift here, because this is one of those meals that you're gonna think, why haven't I done this earlier? And once that's done, we're gonna pop that straight into the fry pan. All right, so we should have a nice full pan just like so. And I reckon they'll probably take around 6 or 7 minutes each side. You wanna make sure they're nice and browned up, both sides, and obviously it's chicken, cook it all the way through. All right, they're looking pretty well done. So I'm gonna pop a couple in here. Look at that. Cornflake chicken tenders. I love the idea of that. I'm gonna dig right in here actually. I'm gonna put a bit of lemon on there just to season it a bit, but I'm just gonna dig right in with my hands too. Why not? Oh. Super tender. Plenty of crunch. Heaps of flavour. Not bad at all. Give this one a go, guys.